Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Katy's Kingdom, the battle for the name. High Court justices are stepping in to settle a battle that has been brewing since 2019 between international pop superstar Katy Perry and Australian fashion designer Katy Jane Taylor. It all started with a trip to Italy that inspired Katy's fashion line. But little did she know, her name would become embroiled in one of the most high-profile trademark disputes in recent years. Katy Jane Taylor registered her own line of clothing under the Katy Perry label back in 2007. But fast forward to 2019, when Katy Perry decided to sell merchandise, including clothing, under her own name, and that's when things got interesting. Taylor sued Perry in October 2019 for trademark infringement, a claim that has been going on for years. On Friday, the High Court allowed Taylor's application for special leave, paving the way for an appeal. 3 judges from the full federal court had previously thrown out Justice Bridget Markovic's findings that Katy Perry's firm Katy Perry had infringed on Katy Jane Taylor's mark by selling clothing during the 2014 Prism Tour in Australia. It was decided then that if Taylor knew about her own name being similar to someone who became famous and started selling clothing, she shouldn't have applied for the trademark, a decision that has now been challenged. But here's the thing. Just because Katy Perry is a well-known pop star doesn't mean she automatically had a reputation for selling clothing back in 2009 when her own trademark was registered. Her barrister argued that this assumption could lead to confusion amongst fans who might think their clothes are actually related to the celebrity, which would be damaging. High Court Justice Jane Jaggett questioned this logic, saying, "If you're sufficiently famous, the capacity is to monetize in all kinds of directions, not just clothing." She pointed out that the same argument could apply to other celebrities expanding into various products. It's an interesting point and a crucial one for Taylor's case. So why did the full court decide that Taylor had unknowingly infringed on Katy Perry's mark? In short, they thought she must have known about the pop star's rising fame when she applied for her trademark. But now, with the High Court stepping in, this assumption is being challenged once again. Katy Jane Taylor has been fighting this battle since 2019. It's not going to be easy, but she's not giving up yet. With the full appeal set to go ahead at a later date, we'll have to keep an eye on how things unfold. One thing is for sure, the world of trademark law is about to get a whole lot more interesting.